Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn about something very important in networking. It's about Ethernet LAN cables. You may have seen these cables connected to your Wi-Fi router, desktop computer, office switch, CCTV cameras or internet modems. But have you ever wondered what is Cat5 cable? Why do we have Cat6, Cat7 or Cat8? Which cable is best for home internet and which cable is used in office and data centers? We will not only learn theory but we will understand what Ethernet cable is, what problem comes in, what happened before faster cable existed, and how modern LAN cable improved networking. Features of every cable category, advantages, real world uses, and which cable should you choose. So let's begin. Let's first understand the basics. Ethernet cable is also called a LAN cable. LAN means local area network. An Ethernet cable is used to connect devices physically in a network. Example, computer to router, router to switch, CCTV camera to network, gaming PC to internet, and server to data center equipment. Think of Ethernet cable like a highway for internet data. The better the road, the faster vehicle can travel. Similarly, better cable, faster internet speed, better shielding, less signal interference, better category, better performance. These cables use RJ45 connector. Most Ethernet cables look similar from outside, but internally their speed, quality and frequency supports are different. Imagine a scenario, you are working in an office and there are 100 computers, CCTV cameras, printers, file server and internet applications. Now imagine all employees are transferring large files. If the network cable is slow, user may face slow internet, file transfer delays, video buffering, packet loss, disconnection problems. Old cables could not handle heavy data traffic. That is why cable technology improved over time. Different cable categories were created. These categories are called Cat5, Cat5e, Cat6, Cat6a, Cat7, Cat8. Let's talk about Cat5 cable. Cat5 means category 5 cable. This is one of the older Ethernet cable standard. The key feature of this cable is speed up to 100 Mbps, frequency 100 MHz. It can cover the distance up to 100 meters. So what was happening without better cable? In old networks, internet demand was low. File size were smaller, streaming was limited, no heavy cloud applications. Cat5 was enough for simple networking. Advantage, cheap, basic networking support, easy installation. This cable was mostly used in small networks, old office systems, CCTV systems and for the basic internet users. Today Cat5 is outdated. It cannot support modern high-speed internet efficiently. Now let's talk about Cat5e. That is the improved version of Cat5 cable. The E stands for enhanced. Cat5e improved many limitations of Cat5. Key features: speed up to 1 GB per second, distance up to 100 meters, and better noise reduction. Imagine the improvement without Cat5e. Network interference caused errors, data transfer was unstable. Using Cat5e providing faster internet, better signal quality and reducing interference. Advantage of Cat5e cables are it is affordable, good for home users, good for stable connections, and it supports gigabit networking. So we can use Cat5e cable in home internet, in small offices, with the Wi-Fi router connections, with the smart TV connections, for the gaming consoles. Cat5e is still widely used today. Let's talk about Cat6a cable. Let's move to Cat6a. Cat6a means category 6 augmented. This cable is designed for faster networking. Key feature of these cables are it can provide speed from 1 Gbps to 10 Gbps. Frequency is from 250 MHz or higher. Distance it can cover up to 100 meters. Imagine an office scenario. Suppose a company uses video conferencing, cloud backup, server communication and heavy downloads. Cat5 may struggle, where Cat6a provide better stability, faster speed, better bandwidth. So advantages of Cat6a are it reduces the interference, it provides the better performance, it supports high speed networking, and it is reliable for business use. We can use Cat6a cables in office network, in medium-sized businesses, in the workstations, and to set up the IT infrastructure. Cat6a is a very common in modern office networking. Now let's move to Cat7 cable. Cat7 is designed for professional environment. Key features for this Cat7 cables are it provides speed up to 10 Gbps, frequency up to 500 MHz, it can cover the distance up to 100 meters, and it is fully shielded design. Now what problem did Cat7 solve? In the industrial environment, signal interference was high, multiple electrical devices caused EMI. So EMI means electromagnetic interference. Cat7 used shielding to reduce signal noise. So advantage of this Cat7 cable is it provide high performance with the better shielding, it help you to reduce EMI, and it provide you stable connection. We can use the Cat7 cables in servers to set up the enterprise networking, in the network switches, and for the professional setups. Cat7 is stronger than Cat6A in a noisy environment. Now let's discuss the fastest cable in the list, Cat8. This is one of the latest Ethernet cable standard. Key feature of these cables are it can provide speed from 25 Gbps to 40 GB per second. It can cover the distance around 30 meters, and it is designed for ultra fast network. Why was Cat8 created? In modern companies, they require massive data transfer, cloud computing, data center operations, and a high-speed server communication. Older cables were not enough. Cat8 solved this problem. Advantages of these cables are it provides extremely fast speed with a very low latency and with the high bandwidth with the strong shielding. We can use Cat8 cables in data centers for the high performance servers, in the enterprise networking, in the AI infrastructure field, for the storage networks. Cat8 is not commonly used in homes because it is very expensive. Easy comparison of all Ethernet cables are Cat5 gives 100 Mbps speed, cover up to 100 meter, and it is good for basic networking, where Cat5e provide up to 1 GB per second. It covers 100 meter distance and good for home and small offices. Where Cat6A cable provides speed 10 GB per second, distance it can cover 100 meter, and it is good for the office network. Cat7 cable provides speed of 10 GB per second, can cover the distance up to 100 meter, and it is best for using in enterprise and servers. Where Cat8 cable provides speed from 25 GB to 40 GB per second, it can cover the distance up to 30 meter, and it is good to use in data centers. Now, which Ethernet cable should you choose? For the home users, you can choose Cat5e or Cat6. For the small businesses, choose Cat6A. For the office environment, choose Cat6A or Cat7. And for the data centers, you can choose Cat8. Final conclusion of this video is, today we learned what Ethernet cable is, why different cable categories exist, what is the problem scenario, what is the improvement over time, and the feature of Cat5 to Cat8, advantages and real world uses. Remember, choosing the right Ethernet cable is important. Even if you have fast internet, using an old cable can slow your network. So a good network always depends on router quality, cable quality, network switches, and proper configuration. I hope this explanation helped you to understand Ethernet cable clearly. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.